Hello everyone, so today we are going to solving the questions that is pattern number 12. So see what is the pattern number 12 is. Here is the pattern. In the first line there you can see there is 0, next line 1 1, then next line 2 3 5, then next line 8 13 21 34. So solve this question. So before solving this question, let's understand what is happening here. So go to the screen and check what is happening here. So see, if you observe the pattern very carefully, then one thing you will understand. See, in the first line the value is 0, and in the next line the value is 1 and 1 again. Then next line the value becomes 2, 3 and 5 again. Then it becomes 8, 13, 21, 34. Can you understand what is this? This is the Fibonacci series. See, in the first value is 0, second value is 1. If I add these two values, you will get the third value, that is 1, that is also 1. If I add again the third value with its previous value, that means 1 plus 1, you will get the value 2, and 2 plus 1, that is 3. That means this is a Fibonacci series pattern. But one thing here to observe, that this is also similar type of star triangle pattern. So what we will do? Firstly, we are going to printing the triangle with the star, then we will implement the Fibonacci series on it. So see what I am trying to do. So int n is equal to scn dot next int, then for int I is equal to I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, then come back to the next line for int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to I, then j plus plus, then go back to the next line. Here we are going to printing the star, system dot out dot print out dot print the star, and for the next line we are going to use system dot out dot print ln for the next line. Now see what we are getting in the output screen. Okay, I think I missed here something. So what I am missing? Okay, I think I put here a extra parenthesis. Okay, now run it. See, we are getting the star triangle as an output. Now see, we are going to implement the Fibonacci series. In Fibonacci series, the value starts from 0 and the next value will 1. So create two variables that will, okay, so create two variables, that is int a is equal to 0, that is the first value, and the second value will be is equal to 1. Now see, instead of printing the star, we are going to printing the value of a, and for adding to the next line, that means for getting the third variable, that is the addition of a and b, c will be a plus b. Now in the next line, a will b and the b will c. So now run it and check what is happening here. So we are getting the right output. So see what is happening. Firstly, we create two variables, that is a 0 and b1. If you know about the Fibonacci series, then it can be easy for you to solve. So see, but by the way, I am going to tell you again. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. See, so firstly it will print 0 in the screen, and next c becomes a plus b, that means 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now a becomes b, what is the value is b, that is 1, and b becomes value c, what is the value in the c, that is 1. Now the loop run again, it will print the value 1, because now a stored the value 1. Now a becomes 1, b becomes 1, so c becomes 3. Okay, and now a becomes 1 and 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So b becomes 2. Now next loop will run and it will print 1. Now a becomes 2 and then 2 plus 1, that is 3, and b becomes 3, it will print the value 2. Next next line it will print 3. This way it will going to print all the Fibonacci series numbers. So hope all of you learn from this video and enjoy this video and learn how to tackle this kind of pattern. So I will meet you in the next video.